Yeah, my people, I'm here again. So, this is an incident that took place, I think it was downtown, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but I'm just covering this. A man attempted to chop up a woman. I don't know what is going on in this country, guys, but the people are getting more evil and eviler every day in Jamaica. I don't know what is going on. So, this guy, I don't know what was the incident or what the woman did, but that's besides the point. I don't care what she did. You should not have tried to chop her up. You should have tried to seek at least counseling or something for that. I don't know what these Jamaican mans are doing nowadays or what the women are doing wrong or what. I don't know what is going on. But you people tell me in the comment section. These people are very evil, So I'll show you a part of the video of the man, and I will let you decide what is what, yo. Yeah, my people, I don't know what is going on in the country. I don't know what is going. I don't know what to say. Mankind is very evil nowadays days, and the people them they don't learn. So I just want to say, sorry to the lady that get caught up in this accident, and it's not an accident. It was premeditated. So, people, we just a go for sure. Why, if the woman them decide to leave you or decide to cheat or whatever the woman them decide, I feel them own. You know, for you fight woman for them things, brother. No matter what type of relationship, try to just discover the peace now with the human them. Why not kill off the human them? Why not kill off people overall? Not only the woman them alone. People overall, brother. Wanna try get some mental issue sort out, brother. Cause on the mental. Yes sir. Just my people. I just wanted to be safe out there, because there are some crazy people in this world. Yeah, man, there are some crazy people in this world, and I don't know what the people them is thinking, but they're not thinking right. Yeah, so this man, him just decide to just go right
So short story. One evening me I come home from work from KPH, right? Night shift. So I reach my place about after 10. One taxi dey on the stand. Me no know him. But me see a woman and her pick me in the taxi, a next young girl and a guy where me know living on my scheme. So I take the taxi and I say, I'm govern, I'll be fine. Going at the taxi now and I text mommy, I update her for when I reach and thing. Anyways, everybody else come out for them stop left. Me one in the taxi because me live all the way around at the back of the scheme. So rascal. The taxi driver start chatting me up on everything now. Him drive for one road. Me no know this a road here. Then him go ask me if I have a man. Me just say, I am a man. Him not ask me nothing further from this. So me, you not kidnap me, bitch. Can't me get. Thank God. I made it home.
Yeah, brother. And this is, if you don't know who this is, this is Cargo. Yeah, man. Man, show no all the people them for live and what the people them for do. Yeah. So him win a lawsuit. I sure enough I wanna know about the lawsuit where him win, but if you don't know, check it out. I'm just a show now what him a do still. Not take time build him house and I take time do him thing. Despite all the fight where him get over the years, him take time and I do him thing. You know them way there. Yes, people. So, and I thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, comment on the thoughts down below. So you guys are showing all what you might do. And I want to take this as a big example. All our people them are not doing nothing. Take this as a big example. Yeah man. Big up on yourself people. Blessings, Enough blessings and guidance and protection. Yes sir. Out.